India literally wants you to buy less gold, spend less on foreign tours and travels, spend less on oil consumption, and a lot of other measures. आपको लेकिन ये बात जाननी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये क्यों कहा गया. Whenever we choose to buy gold or whenever you choose to travel abroad, we have to pay certain amount in dollars. And India ka rupee has to travel abroad when we pay in dollars, because of which dollar depreciates and the economy is impacted. Now, to save the economy's rupee, the value of rupee of the economy, the government of India wants you to spend less in dollars, because of which the value of rupee will improve and it will help the economy to do better in the situation which is war like. एंड आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गोल्ड रिसीट्स के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. EGRs इज अ वे विच बाय विच द गोल्ड विल बी डिजिटलाइज्ड, बिकॉज बहुत सारी गोल्ड इंडिया के घरों में कैद है जो कुछ रिटर्न नहीं दे रही है. दिस इज अ वेरी स्मार्ट मूव व्हेन दे आर आस्किंग यू टू होल्ड द गोल्ड इन digital way, and when you need it they will be sending you a physical gold, which makes a lot of sense, and I think this more and more people will go ahead and buy this. What do you think?